come to the stage. As a vulnerable Pacific island nation of Fiji, and as a consistent climate champion, we would be grateful if you could outline Fiji's efforts to transition to the resilient future that we're discussing today.
Thank you. On behalf of Fiji, I rise to answer the call of the Secretary General for more ambition and more action to wrestle our planet from the grasp of the climate crisis. Fiji stands committed to uniting behind the science, an impatient plea that the world's youth just demanded from each of us. The brutality of our changing climate has already driven vulnerable communities into a nightmare scenario, one in which the hellscape of storms like Cyclone Winston and Hurricane Dorian have become the new normal. Even if we limit temperature rise to the 1.5 degree target without urgent adaptation, our suffering will go for generations and claim many more innocent lives. Acceptance of this living nightmare is morally unthinkable, and denial is unconscionable. Every nation must heed the call of our youth to wake up and begin building towards a vibrant, resilient future. Fiji's view of what must be done is clear. We have submitted our long-term strategy to achieve net zero emissions before 2050. We are nearing completion of our enhanced NDC. We enacted an environmental and climate levy, issued a green bond, and are using innovative financing solutions to fund these plans. We are relocating climate vulnerable communities and infrastructure. We are striving to achieve 100% renewable energy by 2030. And we are finding creative ways to reduce emissions from our biggest emitter, transportation, including public transport and shipping. We are promoting climate resilient agriculture and are finding nature-based solutions to protect our forests, our mangroves and riverbanks. We are enshrining our commitment to the Paris Agreement through a new climate change law, which is currently undergoing public consultations. We are ensuring that our oceans are an integral part of both the UNFCCC process and our own national development, pursuing 100% sustainable management of our economic exclusive zones by 2030. We have declared a 10-year moratorium on seabed mining, and I have asked others to join us to allow for research and properly assess the environmental hazards. Why, as a tiny carbon emitter ourselves, are we taking such drastic action? The answer is simple. While Fiji did not cause the climate crisis, we are fully awake to its reality. Someone must act with clear-eyed purpose and resolve. Someone must clear a path for others to follow. If we fail or if we falter, our children and grandchildren will have no path at all. Thank you, Secretary General, for this opportunity to speak at this summit and for your understanding, foresight, and unrelenting passion. Thank you.
Thank you, Excellency.